Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called EarfitDS1. This is done by a company called Truefree, and this will give you 40 hours of playtime, plus it has a dual noise cancellation and has a gaming mode, and you can also disable the touchpad if you are going to use this in bed. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of this box. It comes with this user guide, and it says the name on the top and the model number. I really like how they have made it nice and colorful. And then once you open it, it tells you more about the actual device, on how you will be able to play, what will work. We're trying to cover this in this video itself, and how it is going to give you more functions. Now when you go to the back, it has a lot of more information that you're looking for. And once you go inside, it's in different language. It also comes with a little brochure type of little page. Will tell you that officially there is a app that you can get, and once you register it, become a member, would be really nice, and where you can get it, what the name would be. It does come with a USB type A to USB type C charger connector. It also comes with a little connector that you can, and this way that goes around your neck, so this way you're not going to lose your earbuds. So there's two connections that you can use. Also some extra ear tips. Now we're not going to open it because it will get dirty. Now comes the actual docking station. It has been wrapped really nicely, so you know that it's not been used. There's a QR code that you can scan, and then this way you will get more information about the warranty. And then you can take the top out, or you can slide it on the side. You can see that the way that they have sealed it is very hard to take out. There you go. And this is how the docking station looks. I really like how they have their name really nicely written on the top. And then this part is nicely designed. Going in the front, you do have a little part that is a fingerprint residue magnet, and also going around it. I really like the design, by the way that they have made it. The charging port is right in the back, but when you go through, this is how it looks in the bottom and also on the top. So now when you open, this is how it opens, and you can see that it's holding it down. Everything is right over here. So there, it looks like these are extra ear tips if you ever need it. We're going to leave those back. There is some writings inside of it, and in this way you can read it. But the earbuds are sitting right inside, so you can take them out. And we will get to this in a few seconds. But this is how the inside is. It does have little markings for left and right. These are the parts that will charge it when you hook it up, and there's a little magnet to this. So this way when you put the earbuds back inside, it takes it, and then this way if you have to drop it, it doesn't drop. I really like that. But this is how the earbuds look. So there is a little sticker around it, and we will take it out. And here you go. Now as soon as you take it off, you can see that it went to pairing mode, but we're not pairing it yet. So this is how it looks from the back. From the inside, there is a little marking that will tell you this is left. And then when you go around, there is a little part for the mic. And the speaker is right over here, the charging ports. Now going around it, trying to find more, and there isn't. But I really like how they have written their name. And there's some sensors and mic that has been on the side, as you can see right there. And then the name is really nicely written. So these are how I really like to look at things. And the back part of it that goes above your ear, we will show that in a few seconds, how you should be wearing this. And then once you take the other side off too, how it looks going around. So the mic is right in over here, mic, and then there are some sensors and all around it. I really like how they have managed to put this together. There is a little LED light. Now going around, that looks really slick. All right, enough said. Let's go and show you how to wear this. So when you are putting it on, you have to put this around your ear, and then the mic part will go inside of your ear. So if you really look, this part should be not sticking out. This is how it should look. when you're putting it on, and in this way you can tap this part, it should work. So same thing on the other side. We will try to put this on, and we put it inside of the ear, and there you go. That's how it should be really positioned and wear. So how easy that is to process, and in this way you can put it on. Alright, number one, we need to get the app. Now for that we have to go to Google Play Store. So once you click on Google Play Store, then on the top part we have to select and type Truefree. Now I have already processed, and here's my app. And then once you install it, you have to open. Yes, it will give you some little tips and tricks in the start, but once you go to it and you say enter, it will ask you to agree and create an account. So you have to click on registration and fill out your information in this. Once you registered, there's a verification you have to go through. Once it's done, then click on connection, allow, and now it's going to look for the actual earbuds, and we say connection. Now it should find it. Now if it doesn't, that's fine. Click here, and then it will start searching for new device, which is right in the bottom. So once you select it, there you go, pair, and now it's paired. So just to show you a few things about this, is that it shows that this one has 90% charge, and when you go to the wheel, you can pick up calls, audio, and also over here it says audio sync type. And at the bottom, it will tell you rename, disconnect, and unpair. This is very natural when you see this on Android. But once this is done, we will totally get out. We will go to the app itself. And now it says, there you go. Now it's trying to connect by itself. It found it. And now it went through to show you exactly how much of a charge this one has. And once you do this, it will tell you to put your Amazon order, and then you will get extended warranty. So this is the very first time we're pairing this, and you can see that the left one does not show, and you can see that it's still not connected for the meantime, but you will be able to see that when you're going to wear this and you want to fall asleep, you can disable touch, you can enable gaming mode, so it gives you better voice, and also it's going to be a little bit louder, and on top of that it's going to be synced proper, so there's not much delay or problem when you're playing game. There's also custom touch. You can click on it and you can see what you can process through it. I am sure this will really help you out. On top of that, multi-functions, you can go through and set that up too. Now going at the bottom, you do have the reset, customization, and adaptive, so this way you can play with these earbuds way more. But the best part is that once you pair it, you have more access. And then when you go to your settings, it already gives you a default name, username, password, and also give you a picture. Now, this is not something I have set up. And then user manual for the earbuds, contact us, also online service, just in case if you had a problem. You can come to this app on your phone and you will be able to get assistance for it. Very easy to process. All right, enough said about it. Let's go next and test it out. By the way, I really like that when you are going to close the top, it shows that it has 100% charge, and it is charging right now. As you can see, the right one is inside and the left one is not. So now it turned on. So if I have to go to the app itself, it should be able to pair easily, but it was not really connected at that moment. But basically, once this is charged and once you take it out, it should be connected. There you go. Now it came on. So once you take it out of your docking station, then it will show that it is connected. Enough said about it. Let's go next and test it out. Now we're going to test this part. This is one of our video on YouTube, as you can see. And once we have the earbuds on our hand, now if I have to tap once or tap twice, you can see that the volume went down. And then when I tap again twice, it plays it. So this is how fast it is to process this part to make sure that the touchpad do work, and it does work. So if I have to press it really slowly, you can see that how it is going to work is when you tap it twice. Now it plays it perfectly for us. So this is a really cool thing to process. Again, it's very effective and very easy to play with. Now for this part of the video, I'm going to record and then I'm going to show you how good this is by placing the actual voice from this and not from the camera. There's going to be a little indentation that will tell you recording, so it makes it very simple to process, and you know that, okay, this is really working. All right, enough said about it. Let's just wear the both earbuds. So number one test will be to test it out with nice environment. The second one will be with a little noisy background. So let's process it first with regular one. So it starts now. Now the voice is not coming from this camera, rather from the earbuds itself, and you can hear me how loud it picks up the voice. Now again, my own voice is not loud at the moment. It's just normal on how you should be able to talk and hear everything. But this is how it sounds, and there is no exaggeration or placing any kind of effect to make this sound louder. This is an official sound and raw sound, how it really is. And now we have some background noise, and this is how it really sounds. Again, the sound is coming from the earbuds and not from the camera itself, so you can tell that how much it cancels the background noise in how it sounds right now when you are talking on the phone on the other side. This is how it really sounds when you are processing it. Yes. So overall, I really like this earbuds itself. Now, when you are going to play certain songs on this, yes, it has a nice bass, but I have to mention that when you are going to go outside and you want to talk to people on the phone itself, it has a really good noise cancellation, as I have tested it. But right now, since we made this video, I had to come back because the actual sound wasn't recorded, so I had to do this part again. And that saying that it does work. When you are going to play with this earbuds, it does give you all the effects that you're looking for. Doesn't matter if it's a gaming mode, doesn't matter if you want to disable the touchpad, and also you want to get certain part of the earbuds to work separately. You want to customize some of the touchpads, all going to take effect very easily using the app and the phone. And in that way, you have a full access on how this earbud should work for you. Again, the charge is very big. It will last you at least 40 hours before you recharge it for 20 minutes to have it for another 2 days basically. It's good to play with this. I really like this design. I really like on how this is going to work and how it is working right now. The docking station do have a little display which also stands out for me. So if anybody wants to purchase one of this, I really recommend. This is a really good device to have. I really enjoy playing with this now. And I hope you guys like our video. All the links going to be available in the bottom where you can order it from. And on top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And thank you.